Hello, my name is Anthony Aguilera. I was born on September 19 of 2001 in Bolivia, but I grew up in the Canary Islands in Spain since I was 3 months old. I finished school in 2013 and I went back to Bolivia. There, I was a year studying at the Cervantino School, and in 2014, I studied at the Ramon Darío School. In 2015, I started to train boxing for 2 years until 27. It was very important for me because I found my passion in sports and they taught me values such as discipline, respect, and honor. I lived with my grandmother the time I was in Bolivia until 27. Then I traveled to Ecuador with my uncles in that same year. I finished my secondary studies at the Tirso de Molina School and I graduated in 2019. I entered the Technical University of Ambato to study a tourism program. I like it because I had the opportunity to travel very often and fall in love with natures, cultures, and language. I spent a face-to-face semester in 2019 until the coronavirus affected us in 2020, and I continued studying online. This 2021, I am going to the third semester and I really want to continue studying.